Today I'm going to fix some problems in a little Yamaha upright piano. Hello, my name is Davíð. Come with me to Akranes. It's a 50 minutes drive from the capital city Reykjavik. We have some problem with the hammers, that we have this bobbling hammers like we often have in pianos. I see that also that we have some air in the action. The screws under the action is too much gap, and I have to make that gap like it should be. I have to put up the screws under the action to get the bubbling out of the piano. So that is what I'm gonna do, so it's good to play it after I have been fixing it. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more videos like this. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. Now I have fixed the problem in the piano, so the hammers are not bubbling any longer. Thank you for following me, but it's time to go back home to Reykjavik.